Today I'm in Pennsylvania hiking the White Rocks Trail. Let's do it. The White Rocks Trail is a access trail to the Appalachian Trail. There should be some rocky outcropping up there that we can scramble around on. Alright, made it up to this rocky ridge. If I'm perfectly honest, I thought it would be a little bit more exposed, but I suppose that could still be coming up, so let's check it out. The best view of this hike. Oh, that's pretty nice. The trail's in pretty good shape, easy to follow, and well maintained. If I were going to string up my hammock, this would be a great location. I don't think there's water anywhere near here, but pack that in. Oh, right, there's a campsite here. Looks like we are at the intersection with the Appalachian Trail. I'm going to continue up to Center Point Knob and let's see what it's like up there. Center Point Knob is capped with a plaque memorializing the original center point of the Appalachian Trail. 1,060 feet, right there. This campsite looks pretty nice. It has plenty of room for some tents, as well as hammocks. Back to the Blue Blazes. So what do I think of the White Rocks Trail? I think it's a great trail. Let me stop me there. It's a good trail, not a great trail. I think if you're just coming here to climb to that overlook, it's well worth the trip. I usually prefer my day hikes to be a little bit longer, but this would be great, especially if you're going to bring children or dogs or whatever. I imagine though that it does get crowded on nice days in the early afternoon, so be aware of that. And that's it. It's a great trail, and I'll talk to you guys later.